Edo State Governor Senator Monday Okpebholo don warn pipo wey no mean well for Naija, say make dem no try bring pipo wey dey fight and kpai pipo for money enter the country to come scatter the country. The governor tok dis one when he received the Presido of Northern Youth Association of Naija, Comrade Godiya Adams Bongoro, plus 10 other youth leaders from North. He come beg all Naija pipo to join hand fight insecurity for the country. Governor Okpebholo come here and say whether you be from North, South, East or West, make everybody live like brothers and sisters. He can also warn Naija youth say make dem not allow anybody use them do wahala or destroy the country, especially as 2027 general election dey near. Say some people still want use youth as tool for their own selfish interest, say make them not gree, and say make Naija youth remember say tomorrow na their own. Make them not let anybody use them destroy wetin them go inherit, sake of say as youth, na them be the leaders of tomorrow and na them go build this nation. On top the Uromi Kilekili, the governor can salute the youth for their visit and for recognizing wetin he do to calm the recent tension wey shele for Uromi. Say he grow for North and wetin shele for Uromi touch am well, say he condemn the act and them go continue to work for peace. He still talk say as Naija people, we value life, we no dey enjoy killings. Say people wey dey do these bad things no be true Naija people.
The youth is the bedrock for the nation itself. Whatever the country will be tomorrow, it all relies on the youth. When you bring up the youth in the fear of God, then that is what you expect tomorrow. I want to thank you for your time, leaving the northern part of the country to come here just to say thank you for effort I've made to see that we resolve the crisis that happened a few weeks ago. For me, I see it as a tax. Being somebody who also grew up in the North, knowing the culture of the Northerners, I see them as part of me. So I want to use this medium to also send a message to our people back in the North. You see, what happened in Uromi was very tragic. I just pray that one day we will have a mind to rethink, to know, yes, that Nigeria belongs to all of us. We have no other place to live than this country. So we need to know that people cannot continue to use the youth as instrument of destruction for their selfish gain. I also want you to also carry out this message that tomorrow belongs to the youth. So I want us to stand firm, united as youth of this country, to say yes, that we must have tomorrow. Tomorrow is for the youth and for all of us.
Leader of the Northern Delegation, Comrade Godiya Adams Bongoro, can salute the governor for quick response and efforts to bring peace for Edo. Say wetin shele for Uromi pain everybody, but a quick action shows say he really care about peace. Say he work to solve insecurity and involve communities dey commendable.
The Northern Youth Association of Nigeria, a coalition of Northern Nigerian youth groups, is dedicated to promoting unity, peace, and development across our great nation. As the apex youth organization for young people in northern Nigeria, we have been actively engaged in efforts to address the recent Uromi incidents. Your Excellency, Governor of Edo State, sir, we, the Northern Youth Association of Nigeria, in conjunction with the northern groups, are honored to pay a courtesy visit to your esteemed office today. We express our deepest appreciation for your efforts in mitigating the unfortunate Uromi incident and preventing its escalation. Our efforts in mitigating the issue, the Northern Youth Association of Nigeria has been working tirelessly to promote peace and understanding between our communities. We've engaged in dialogue and community leaders, security agencies, and government officials to address the root causes of insecurity and promote synergy between the North and the South for a better and more prosperous Nigeria. Acknowledging the incident, the Uromi incident was a tragic accident that highlighted the need for collective action to prevent future occurrences. We commend your administration's prompt response and commitment to ensuring peace and stability in the states. appreciation for your efforts. Your Excellency, sir, your leadership has been instrumental in maintaining peace and order in Edo State. Your efforts to address the root causes of insecurity and promote community engagement are truly commendable. Recognizing other efforts, we also acknowledge the effort of the Kano State government in promoting peace and stability in the region. Their commitment to ensuring the safety and well-being of citizens is a testament to their dedication to good governance. Call to action. We propose the following collaboration efforts to enhance security and development in Edo State. Community engagement. Establish a platform for dialogue between community leaders, security agencies, and government officials to foster trust and cooperation. Security enhancement. Provide additional security personnel and resources affected areas, enhancing surveillance and patrols. Your empowerment, youth empowerment. Implementing programs to empower the youth, promote education, skills acquisition, and job opportunities to reduce vulnerability and radicalization. Further efforts from NIAN, the Northern Youth Association of Nigeria, in collaboration with other northern groups and stakeholders, proposes to hold a peace and security summit in Jos, Plateau State, with the theme Peace Beyond Borders, strengthening the North-South synergy, and it will be tagged the Jos Accord. This also includes inviting youth from Edo and other southern states for the first week of May 2025. Conclusion, we reaffirm our commitment to working together to build a safer, more prosperous Edo State and Nigeria at large. We believe that our collective efforts will yield positive outcomes and create a brighter future for all citizens. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to a fruitful discussion. Thank you very much.
Sir, I was in Sokoto, this place, Usman Danfodio University, when I saw your video in Kano State with our Governor Abba Yusuf. Actually, sir, I was highly thrilled because your visit to Kano has really dosed the anger very much well down. So we really appreciate you for your gesture. On behalf of the entire Northern Youth Association of Nigeria, I would like to appreciate you, a man whose reputation will always be remembered, a man who believes good is not good enough where better is possible, a man who toiled day and night to ensure people within his territory are secured, a man of vision and ideas, a man whom excellence runs through his blood, a role model par excellence, a prodigiously hard worker, a tireless creative genius, a pillar of strength, a strong tower in our futuristic trust, pragmatic politician, acknowledged people's governor, eminent entrepreneur. Northern Youth Association of Nigeria, sir, sees you as a paradox, a phenomenon, a pathfinder, a voyage, a colossus, a mentor, a motivator, a role model, a signature of success, a pace setter, a community builder, a patient team player, bridge builder still constructing, a centrifugal force, a culture and cultivated gentleman, one of the best men with practical ideas. Governor Monday epitomized all this and almost become an institution of political reference point. Very brilliant, reflective, honest, trustworthy, and industrious. A disciplined cosmopolitan politician and Nigerians with analytical mind. He is very simple, polite, calm, solemn, straightforward, confident, classy, and courageous. He is a leader with moral compass, character, charisma, integrity, prudence, culture, and compassionate. Governor Mode is a man with excellent record of performance, very successful politician with the heart of gold, very enterprising, articulate, humane, and a goal-getter. A man who never sees leadership as a comfort zone. He is morally balanced, socially wise, a devoted Christian, a man always looking 10 years younger than his age. You deserve a decent mention and attendance space in our Hall of Fame. Automatically, you have been into our RAY Youth and the Northern Youth Association's Hall of Fame. So let me conclude by the words of Jumron, who says, and I quote, "Whosoever renders services to many, put himself in line of greatness, great honor, great reward, great reputation, and great joy." So on behalf of the entire Northern Youth Association of Nigeria, I say a congratulations, and we really appreciate your coming to Kano State. I thank you all for listening.
The governor also meets with National Youth Council of Naija Edo State chapter, wherein for yarn the youth say make them stay away from drugs and violence, say na only peace fit bring better future. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC News.